Sacred cooking meditation. Feeding with love. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Step into your kitchen as if you are stepping into a sacred space. This is not just a place to prepare food. This is a place where love takes form. As you stand here, feel the floor beneath your feet, steady and supportive. Feel your body present, calm and open. Silently affirm, I arrive here with peace in my heart. This kitchen is a space of nourishment and grace. Let your shoulders relax. Let your breath soften. Connect with the ingredients. Gently look at the ingredients before you. See their colors, the greens, the golds, the earthy tones. Notice their textures, their freshness, their quiet generosity. As you touch them, feel their life energy in your hands. They have traveled far, grown patiently, and arrived here to nourish. Affirm softly, I honor the journey of this food. I thank the God, the earth, the rain, the sun, and every hand that brought this here. Feel gratitude flow from your heart into your palms. Let's move towards washing, chopping, and preparing. As you wash the ingredients, imagine not just cleansing them but blessing them. Let the water carry away heaviness, stress, and fatigue. What remains is purity and readiness to nourish. Affirm, as I clean this food, I release all negativity. This food absorbs calm, love, and healing. As you chop, slice, or prepare, notice the rhythm. Your movements are slow, intentional, graceful. Hear the soft sounds, the knife on the board, the water flowing, the gentle sizzle. Let these sounds ground you in the present moment. Affirm, my hands move with care and love. Every movement I make is a prayer. Let's cook with intention. As the food begins to cook, notice the aromas rising, warm, comforting, and familiar. Let the scent fill the kitchen and your heart. Imagine love melting into the food. just like spices blend into the dish. Every stir carries intention. As you stir, whisper, "May this food bring strength. May this food bring warmth. May this food bring comforting and healing." If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the pot, the pan, the breath, the moment. This is your meditation in motion. Let's nourish the cook. Now, bringing awareness to yourself. Notice how peacefully you feel. Notice the quiet satisfaction of creating. Affirm gently, "I am fulfilled as I give. I am nourished by my own love. My energy is renewed." Feel your heart full, not empty. Cooking does not take from you, it completes you. Now let's bless the one who eats. As the dish nears completion, imagine the one who will eat this food, your child, your partner, your family, or even yourself. See them smiling, relaxed, cared for. Affirm, "May whoever eats this food loved, feel loved. May whoever eats this food feel loved. May this food support their body, their mind, and their spirit. May it bring health, peace, and happiness. Let your love travel ahead of the meal." Let's now complete the meal with gratitude. When the cooking is done, pause for a moment. Place your hand over your heart and affirm, "I have cooked with presence. I have given love a form. What I offer is filled with care." Take one final deep breath in and exhale with gratitude. This food is more than nourishment. It is love served warm. Carry this fullness with you as you serve and share.